Dr. Olsen, if you have an injury that's just being persistent and won't heal, he does ozone injections where we inject O3 into the system, so then you have the nutrients at the source of injury so that it heals quicker and can get up over that hump, because sometimes you just get stuck and you can't get over into the repair and remodel phase, you just stay in the inflammatory phase. And so the ozone therapy will help you get into repair and remodel and get you over a chronic injury.
Yeah, so I do ozone injections. They've been a really great tool to give people other options to heal naturally. So ozone is O3 oxygen. So it's very concentrated, very dense oxygen that we inject into the tissue that we're treating. Chiropractors, we don't inject joints, but we can inject muscle tissue, ligaments, things like that. And it basically just loads that area with a lot of oxygen, and it helps stimulate healing faster. Usually we start with a treatment plan of 3 injections once a week. So they'll usually come in, we'll do a consultation, make sure it's the right thing for them. And we'll do anywhere from 3 to 5 injections weekly. And then after that, it's usually just kind of on an as-needed basis. If we feel like it was helpful for them, then that's a good option that they can come back to as they feel like they need it.